Hello my country people, my name na Vincent. We don come out again as e dey happen based on the tori wey we dey hear concern as the bus drivers and tricycle drivers dey complain say they dey pay too much tax for this country for the agbero hand wey some people dey call alaye. So as we don come out to hear their voice to know wetin they have to tell us concern the tax wey they dey pay. According to the tori wey we dey hear say bus and tricycle drivers for dis country dey pay too much tax, say dem dey collect too much ticket from agbero wey some people dey call alaye. Wetin you get to tell the country about that? Are you happy with it?
No, I'm not happy with it because even me myself, I'm confronting the agbero them and the alaye people tell that the ticket the money is too much. Each for here, this junction, for here alone, you are paying 400 for today. For here, the other place I'm paying 1,002. For the other roundabout, I will be paying more than 700 today. So I'm complaining with them, say the money is too much. Either they will reduce the money or let them quit. That's what I'm going to say because we don't like it. I'm telling them that I don't like it. The other day, me and them nearly fought because of it.
My brother, for now, me, no. I no get government. Dem should not help us. We are already handling it by ourselves because when you carry passengers, I carry this keke now, carry passenger, agbero, I go give agbero 1,600 every day. Calculate am in a month. That is 62,000 plus. You understand me? So if government want to do something, let us help us first. Help the foodstuff first. Help her in everything. Say okay now. See passenger, you tell them say 150, they will not pay because of the money that we are collecting from agbero is collecting from us. Where are we going to gain? You want 500, agbero collect 300. What about people that are doing deliver? How are they going to cope? Nothing. So it did not show of anything. If they like, they should do it if they like. So I'm a government of myself. Shall you hear me?
I like this matter wey carry come like this. The tickets wey dem dey give us e too much, the money too much. I know say make dem no dey give us ticket o, but the thing too much. Tomorrow dem go generate another revenue to collect money. Tomorrow next month dem go generate, and we cannot do anything about it. And the funny part is that the ticket wey dem go give you, you no go fit use am go to another local government. They send Lagos state. You go just drive from here to here. Anything wey carry you charter like drop, wey you go see money, wey post your money take go to another place. Those people say dem no go still catch you because you no go that place go buy am in the morning and you see that charter, they go come discharge your passenger, come collect big money for your hand. So if government go fit help us remove this ticket money, come dey give us the one wey be say you go use am for a day. Unless you no get am, if dem hold you say you no get am, dem go know say dem go hold. But if you get that ticket, dem go leave you say you don buy ticket for a day. If you buy like if you wan go another place, you go buy like more than 10 tickets. This one different, this one different. At the end of the day, you no go see any money put for pocket. If you pay your deliver, you no go carry anything, go buy fuel. And now when fuel no come dey, e come help us to work. Na be the thing wey I fit talk. If you go fit make dem help us.
If Nigeria want to do something as the government themselves, I think the thing they needed to do is to scrap what they call agbero out because it's not helping. These people are working for their people, for their pocket, collecting our money for their personal use, not even the government use. So, and the charges we pay daily on this road is too much. Most people on this road, they work at the end of the day, they can't even afford to rent one room for themselves. But agbero will collect millions of naira from transporters. But the owners of the transport, they cannot do anything for themselves. The percentage, the high percentage they take from us is too much. If there is any possibility for the government to come in, either scrap them off or do something about it to reduce it. For me, I wish if we have a good government and they want to help the transporters in this country, that is what they should do, which is they should subsidize transport. Number one, they should take it away from touts. Because these are, I will not call them useless people, they are all human beings, but they are touts. They don't have nothing to offer to the government. At least transporters, they have something to offer. If we can pay a little tax to the government and allow us to do our work the way we want to do it, and nobody will disturb us, I think it will be good.
You say wetin happen oga, the thing e tire everybody. We are here since morning now, we collect ticket 1,200. We only get more than 1,000 for pocket. And the time I was going. See now, it's not there, so we want government to come to come and do something about it because it will tire us. Please.
You want the government to reduce the money or pursue them at entirely?
Make dem pursue dem because it's no dey easy. It's not easy for us, so it's not easy. So we are there inside sun this morning. We are not even get one hour to even drink pure water. Talk us for eating, and they collect 1,200 for us. It's not easy.
What I have to say is that the thing is too much. It's getting out of hand because the money is too much. Look at a tricycle driver will just be buying a ticket 1,000 something in the morning. Not only that, if you just carry passenger anywhere, you must pay money. Even the passenger you carry 15 naira, 100 naira, you will pay. You will pay. Everyone, every time you load, you pay. If you no pay, that one will be another thing. They will fight you, or they will take something from your vehicle or tricycle or anything that you are driving. So that is no good. The government should end it. Let them remove them from the road for us. If there's any other thing, any necessary thing that we're supposed to do, we'll do it. If it's driving license or any government listen, we'll do it. Everything will be okay. But for all this arboro and everything, please, we don't want it.
The money wey we don dey pay too much gan, but even sef gan, e be like say we dey serve agbero. So at the end of the day, we go buy fuel and we go even pay agbero. The money wey we dey pay gan, e don enter 2,000 naira, close to that sef. And we go still buy fuel, we go do maruwa, we go do everything, we go eat. The money don too much gan, and agbero dey carry our money dey go for Lagos. Make dem help us reduce am small. Abi make dem no even collect, or make federal government come dey collect the money. Na im be our issue like this o, because the money don too much. Many people don dey collect money. After our money for ticket, some go collect 100, some go collect 200, some go collect 50 naira, some go collect 100 naira. After the money na, if you gather am, e don enter 2,000 or one something. The money don dey too much, and we get family for house wey we dey feed.
Yes, my brother, the ticket is too much. Sometimes na because of ticket I cannot be able to work, because if I will hold you without that money for the ticket, like, dem go beat you up. Please, government, I want you people to drive Abolo away for road. Make the government to take over, because we are suffering so much. Even the fuel sef cannot be able to buy fuel because of Abolo. In fact, we are tired for this kind of Lagos Abolo tax. Abeg, una help us now to take over the ticket, because for my mind like this, I no believe that the money dey reach una hand. Abeg, una help us.